Hey everybody, you're definitely going to think I'm crazy, but maybe the fourth time here is a charm. So let me open this and I'll get into what it is here in just a second. What I have done is I have ordered another hearing aid. And I'm kind of surprised that initially this is not shrink wrapped. It's just in a box. And maybe that's the way it's supposed to come. I really don't know. But this is supposed to be different than the other ones I've tried. Now this is the fourth pair that I've tried, different pairs. And I keep returning them because either my ear canal is too small for one, or the height from the top of my ear to the center of my ear was too long, or one was giving constant feedback. And what I come to find out was that the three that I've returned have been hearing amplifiers. And that basically means it just amplifies every single sound that you hear, and you do hear like everything, even the crinkle of a piece of paper across the room, very loud in your head. Now this is supposed to be a hearing aid. And what this is supposed to do, it's supposed to filter out all the background noise and just process the voices, okay? Here's what I'm looking at. I'm kind of surprised it's not shrink wrapped. Every other one that I've gotten has been shrink wrapped. So I'm not sure what the deal is here. Well, let's open it up. We're going to use a guide. Here's the user guide. Got some ear domes, charging cable, more ear domes, and like a cleaning kit. All right, that's in the bottom here. Now inside here must be the hearing aids, and they are here in here. Now these do not have any domes on them yet, so my ear canals are fairly small. So I'm going to pick the smallest dome out of each package. And put those on. The smallest dome out of each package would be this one. There's one. Now there's a large, a medium, and a small in each one. And I'll take the small out of this side. And that's going to be this one here. So there's two small ear domes right here. All right, we'll take a close look at them. Whoops. There they are. Okay. Now I'm going to take these out and put one on each one. That's definitely on. Okay. I'll put this back in and we'll do the other one. Now, like I said, these are actual hearing aids, or the other ones were hearing amplifiers. So it's got like a chip in there that'll has like 16 processors in there that will filter out all kinds of different things. But this is just like a tube one again. We will try these, and I'm going to let them charge up for a little bit before I put them in. Let's see how it goes. They go down in here. I don't know if you can see this or not. They go down in here. All right, come on. Yeah. You just magnetically clip into the bottom. So let's go put these on the charger for a little bit. And let's get things percolating here. All right. Got a USB cable right here. I'm gonna plug her in. And there we go. And we'll let that charge up for a little bit. Then after a little while, we'll put them in and try them. But I'm hopefully maybe the 4th time here is a charm. But just stay tuned and be patient with me, because if it's not working for me, I'm certainly going to send them back. Why should I keep something that if it isn't right? And because of the liberal return policy, I might as well take advantage of it until I get the right set. Thank you.